Let's talk about Instantly. And so, when you think about Instantly, is this the best cold email platform? Let's talk about that. So, I want to first to give you an overview about Instantly. So, Instantly really does a great job because it is a strong player in the cold email solution provider zone. And but it's kind of strong, but it's kind of recent too. So, despite its recency, Instantly actually offers a competent take on cold email sending with access to a lead finder, lead management analytics, and Unibox features. So warming up emails is one of the finest features within Instantly. And when we talk about warming up emails, those are really those are great capabilities that allow you to have a higher deliverability rate and also improve the sending reputation. And so this feature within Instantly also makes using multiple emails to run your cold email campaign a lot easier. And we also love the fact that within Instantly you have AI-driven analytics, you have AZ testing, you have templates also to kind of help you automate email sending. So Instantly is a great option if you're a digital agency or a small business looking to grow your operations through cold emails. And the tool actually offers a good value for money plans and lets you try out their products before purchasing. So this is kind of cool. But the one thing I need to say, I'll go in depth later on, but I just want to say that you got to really have the proper capability to use Instantly the right way. So otherwise, you will find it too complicated because Instantly is actually it's not for everyone, especially for companies that send thousands of emails per day. And also, its lack of integration also makes it unfavorable to businesses that use third-party services. So, think of Instantly in terms of email outreach. So, it is an email outreach tool that helps you increase your conversion with the power of email marketing. It's one of the best tools for cold email outreach compared to others. So this is really cool. So if you are, let's say, for instance, if you are an agency working with multiple clients, you will love Instantly AI. So with Instantly AI, you get an insane level of control over your outreach as they have warm-up features. And I'm talking about the Instantly AI. This tool has a warm-up features and AI-driven analytics. So this is really, really fantastic. So long story short, fantastic tool, folks. Welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Let's talk about the assessment here. So when we think about Instantly, what kind of assessment should you be having in mind? I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of this tool. The pros first. You have warming and sending features. You have A/B testing, AI-driven analytics. You have AI prompts for easy templating. You have automated email warm-up feature. So this is really good. And unlimited email option plus unlimited accounts. This comes really handy if you are working for multiple clients. You have automated warm-up emails. This can be disabled if you don't like them. You have automated scheduling emails. You are able to set delivery limits as per campaigns. You have automated follow-up and you have a smart step sequence. You have an email bounce detection strategy, along with analytical reports, premium support from a dedicated team. You have free version available for testing and affordable pricing for certain geographies. So what about the cons here? Let's talk about the cons. Right now, one thing we don't like in Instantly is the fact that you have limited lead management features, and the tool lacks advanced features because it is actually relatively new to the market. No multi-channel acquisition features. You have a lack of native integrations to data sources and no lifetime plan, and this is really an important element. So, long story short, basically, when you think about Instantly, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to do a lot of things, especially cold email, but you can also build pipeline. So basically, you are able to analyze how your sales funnels actually react. Because the thing is, you can create multiple sales funnels, and you can see how your lead capabilities are either enhancing or regressing depending upon how you set it up. And what we love about Instantly is what I told you a little earlier, that you can also use artificial intelligence through Instantly AI to sort of help beef up your cold email campaign. So this is really cool in terms of scalability too. So you don't have to be a large company. You can be a small business, but if you have a large enough customer email base, then you can use Instantly to sort of automate a lot of things. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Instantly. Let's talk about the features here. So, basically, Instantly has a lot of features. You have a lead finder, you have campaigns, you have Unibox and CRM, you have tracking and analytics, you have lead management. So, I want to quickly go a little deeper here. So, when we talk about lead finder, for instance, this lead finder lets you find B2B prospects without leaving the app, with access to 160 to 175 million database contacts. And for campaigns, email campaigns, you have email campaigns to manage leads and improve cold email success. And you have a centralized inbox where you can view and reply to all emails. This is the Unibox I was speaking about a little earlier. So Unibox and CRM, client relationship management. You have tracking and analytics. So if you want to dig a little deeper, if you want to delve deeper, if you want to look at the constellation of metrics that are really populating your activity, you can actually have Instantly. So you can learn how your prospects interact with emails, because the tool captures key metrics, including open rate, click rate, reply rate, and opportunities. You also have lead management, so you can manage all your leads from a centralized place. It helps you move leads from lists to campaigns and vice versa easily. So this is really cool. So apart from this core Instantly features, you also get the following features. You have unlimited email accounts. This really enables you, if you think about it, to connect as many email accounts as you want. You have unlimited warm-ups. You can actually warm up emails before you start sending cold emails. So this will improve the chances of your email not landing in the spam box, and that's what you do not want to have that anyway. You have email validation, so you can validate emails for better deliverability. You have a cold email catalyst within Instantly, so you have a robust collection of email templates and tactics, and you have a private community access. So this is kind of cool if you need, let's say you need help and you do not want to contact necessarily customer service. This private community access is good. So you access a private community where you can learn from experienced users. So overall, this is really good. You also have the lead finder. So lead finder is the best Instantly feature in our view, because it solves the biggest challenge of cold email. In other words, finding relevant and accurate leads. So this is really an important element to think about. You have campaigns also. So you are able to have all the necessary features that revolve around campaigns. So you can set up leads, sequences, and schedules to reach your target audience and continue growing your leads. So this is an important element to think about. You also have Unibox and CRM. I said this before, but this is really good because it helps you actually get things done properly. When we talk about analytics and tracking, we're speaking about emails sent, opens, replies, and link tracking for affiliate marketing or even email marketing, for instance. Let's talk about the value added here. So Instantly really adds a lot of value depending on depending upon the category of business you're in. So you have outreach. If you are an outreach agency, you will love Instantly. If you are a solopreneur, you'll love Instantly. And so you are able to actually get things done like a faster. Okay. And so you also have in terms of value added, you have a lower cost to scale, because you are able to the more email you send per email account, the less likely you actually can have it delivered. But if you have an automation email tool like Instantly, you can get things done a lot faster. Okay. And so you have better email delivery with the rotating accounts. This is kind of important. You also have the reply to and Unibox features within Instantly. So Instantly also makes response management a breeze. So this is really cool. So you want to actually, like the platform offers a reply to option. So when your prospects reply, the responses are sent to a single email address. So you only need to set up a single email account. Very simple. And I want to really talk about the Unibox sort of feature here. So Instantly also provides a Unibox where all your email responses are received and categorized. And this puts all your replies in a single place, and you can reply to your interested prospects directly from the Unibox. So this is really cool. You have an attractive UX and UX and also UI, and you also have intuitive reporting. So that's something we really love within Instantly, because you are able to get things done. You have you don't have to learn coding to really learn how to use Instantly. You can to use the name of the company itself. You can instantly get things done, and most importantly, you can instantly get things started as soon as possible. So this is really good. You also have a powerful email warm-up tools. So warm-up tool. This is really fantastic. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Instantly, and the question is this tool really worth it? I'm still talking to you about the value added here. So you have a private tracking domain. So email outreach tools all offer tracking pixels, so you can see whether your target prospects opened your mail, right? You want to gauge interest in your content, so to speak. And the thing here is that if you don't have the right tool, you don't have the right automation tools, you can't really track those pixels. And basically, Instantly offers that, so that's really cool. You also have, in terms of value added, you have very active Facebook group. So when you sign up to Instantly, you will be invited to explore the learning content. It's very comprehensive and filled with ideas to improve your email outreach. So this is really cool. They have also a YouTube channel. They have a cold email Facebook group. So this is really cool in terms of opportunities. So we love that a lot. And there are other cool features within Instantly. So where the platform really adds a lot of value. So you have spin tags, for instance, and then you have BCC option, you have deliverability score, and you have provider matching. So this is really an important element. And so when we talk about the Instantly here, we love the provider matching, even though most people will not use this feature, because the feature actually highlights how serious Instantly is all about taking email deliverability to the next level. So provider matching is when you can send emails from your Gmail hosted emails to Gmail hosted recipients, and use Outlook hosted domains to contact prospects also using Outlook. So the idea is that these providers are less likely to block emails originating within their own network. So this is kind of an important element to think about. So when you think about Instantly, think about strategizing. Think about your ability to strategize everything from A to Z, not only in terms of your capabilities, in terms of your campaigns, but also in terms of your strategy overall. Because the bottom line here is that when you have a tool such as Instantly, a tool that allows you to scale, you do not want to take decisions like piecemeal. No, you got to have a strategy. And that strategy is going to help you actually empower your whole operations. Let me talk to you about pricing here. You can see on the screen here how much basically Instantly charges you. So if they have the growth leads, so this will set you back $38 per month, and the hyper leads will set you back $170 per month. So it's one of those things where you have to see what really works for you. So Instantly actually provides a lot of value for money, that's for sure. And they also have, by the way, a freemium model for its customers. So the thing is that when we talk about sending, so you can actually have sending and warm up, and also leads actually. So this is really good. Now, when you think about the growth plan, the growth leads, the growth plan is the basic plan offered by Instantly. Under this plan, you get various features like unlimited email accounts, unlimited email warm-ups, 1,000 active leads, and 5,000 emails monthly. And apart from this, you also have chat support, and under this plan, you also have the ability to scale, okay? And so this is designed for beginners, and it also has a free version which you can start. So for this plan, you need to pay, as I showed you a little earlier, you have to pay $37.09, 90 cents rather, per month. And then the hyper growth plan. So if you are a professional website owner or even an agency, it's better to go with a hyper growth plan. And under this plan, you get all the features of the plan, along with 25,000 active leads and 100,000 emails monthly. You also get premium. You also get premium support, okay, from developers, and not just chat support. So you'll be paying like $130 per month for this plan, but this is really good in terms of automating everything for you. I mean, don't look at just the plan as a standalone sort of criteria, but look at it within a certain construct. So, long story short, fantastic tool. We love the fact that Instantly is offering this sort of capability here. So is Instantly really worth it? Let's talk about that. Yes, Instantly is worth it. Instantly is a great investment. Instantly gives you the capability to get things done, a lot of things done. But there is a few there's an area of few things you need to really pay attention to. Okay, when you think about Instantly, think about cold email software. Okay, but a cold email software tool that's really well positioned to please marketers, for instance, please agencies, please businesses that want a compact tool to search and manage leads, manage campaigns, and transform them into real customers. And so this is one of those things where you have to really, really love Instantly. Now, you have to love Instantly if the features Instantly offers are designed to your needs. And so when we think about Instantly AI, we think about salespeople, we think about agencies, we think about online retailers, and we think about marketers. So salespeople, the tool is actually designed for B2B sales representatives. You can send unlimited cold emails for a marketing campaign. And basically, what happens here is that you can do follow-ups, and you can even send a warm-up mail to your new subscribers. So this is kind of great. And one thing I want to say also is that you also have agencies. Agencies will take advantage of this tool, not a problem here. So if you're looking at this tool for your agency business, it can save you time and money by automating your cold email marketing. And this could give you more time to do other important things like running your business or working on different marketing tactics. You also have online retailers. So if you own an online retail sites, you can reach out to a large volume of your customers in a shorter period of time. And with email, you can share details of any deals and offers going on. It will help you warm up to your customers and increase the chances of conversion. So this is an important element to think about. You also have marketers. So if you own an affiliate site, you need to reach out to your leads for backlinks. And for that, you can use this tool, which can upload more than 1,000 leads contacts at one go and help you save a lot of time. So it's one of those things where you just let the past, be cooked for the future. And so we love the fact that if you're also a marketer, you are also able to automate things, and this is really cool. So everything happens quasi instantly through automation. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, let's do a quick recap here. I was talking to you about Instantly, so I gave you the overview, the assessment, the features, the value added, the pricing, and now the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.